Ever wanted to design a killer logo for your own TV channel or streaming service and make it instantly recognizable? Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and craft a custom letter-based TV logo from scratch. First, open Illustrator, create a new document. We'll start with a square artboard for flexibility. 1000 by 1000 pixels works great. Now, select the Type tool from your toolbar, click on the artboard and type in the letters that will represent your channel. Think about your brand's name and choose impactful initial letters, for example, TV or FS for fast stream. With your letters typed, let's explore font choices. Open the character panel and experiment. Select a font that reflects your channel's style. Consider fonts that are bold and easily readable from a distance. Select a font that feels modern and sleek. Next, fine-tune your typography for that professional touch. Adjust the kerning or spacing between letters using the character panel. If needed, you can also play with the letter size. You could make the T bigger than the V or experiment with different weights. Now, for the fun part, color. Open the swatches panel, select a color palette that reflects your branding. Euro theme color and a complementary color, for instance, a vibrant blue for themes and a sleek white for text. For visual interest, consider using design techniques like the shape builder tool or creating outlines outlining the text. Then adding a subtle texture to the letters using gradients can elevate the design, making it feel more premium. Adding a simple rectangle behind it also helps. And there you have it, Euro a sleek, professional letter-based TV logo instantly. Remember to save your logo in multiple formats with a strong font choice, color palette, and these techniques. You can create a memorable visual identity for your channel. Don't forget to save your work and experiment with different options. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. #logo design #TV logo.